Hello friends, this is new video on timer design examples. This problem which is showing here is regarding to industries because motors are very basic machines in industry. Every industry require different types of motors. So in this problem, we will see how we can sequentially start motors. So the question is that the starting the oil pump immediately after start button is pressed, the main motor will start after a 10-second delay, and then our auxiliary motor will start after a 5-second delay. And if we press a stop push button, all the motors will stop immediately. Okay, so let's see how we'll make a problem, how we'll make the program for this problem. Okay, so here is our software WPL soft, and first of all we will give some inputs. Okay, sorry, here. So what are our inputs? First is start push button, start PV. Second is stop push button. Okay, when we start PV, the whole system will start. When we press stop PV, the whole system will stop. We have three outputs. First is oil pump motor. Second is main motor, and third is auxiliary motor. Okay, we will use timers to start our main motor and auxiliary motor step by step. So first of all, let's start making the program. So here we will use a memory bit. Okay, so first of all, LDX0, this is our start push button. When we press the start push button, the memory bit will be high, which is OTM0. Okay. Now latch this memory bit. How will we latch it? By using memory bit command as input, and then sorry, and then okay, yes. Now it is latched. So our whole system will start when MO, which is the memory bit, is high, and the whole system will stop when the memory bit will be low. So here we will use our next input, which is stop push button. So when we press the stop push button, this M0 will high, will low, and our whole system will stop. So now move forward. So when M0 will high, what will happen? Our oil pump motor will start. Okay, the oil pump motor will start, and in parallel with oil pump motor, one timer will start, which we require to start our main motor. So TMR T0 K100, because the main motor will start after 10 seconds of oil pump motor. Okay, so now timer will start. When the timer T0, when the timer T0 will high, it will start our main motor. When the main motor will high, in parallel, it will start another timer T1, which is a 5-second timer. And when this timer will high, it will cause our third, which is auxiliary motor, high. So LD, even when it is high, it will make our motor Y2, which is auxiliary motor, high. Okay, so the whole program will work like this. Uh, let's run this program. So compile it first. Compile, go online. The PLC is not considered the PLC. Okay, and start our PLC. Okay, so we have started our PLC. Now let's see. We start the push button on, and what happens after 10 seconds? Okay, we have make a mistake. Y0 and Y0 at the both positions. So it is an error, my friend. Let's correct this. So PLC, stop our PLC, go offline. Here is the mistake. It is not Y0, it is Y1. Okay, compile it again. Yes, go online. Now the program will run perfectly. Start our PLC into run mode. Now set on. So our first motor is started. Okay, after 10 seconds, if I press this button off, after 10 seconds, the second motor will start, and it will start a timer. And after 5 seconds, our oil pump motor will be start. And when we press this stop push button, our whole program will stop. So whole all the three modes will stop at that time. Okay, so this is our program. Try to make these programs, practice a lot, because timer is very important function in PLC programming. Okay, in next video we will take some more examples